So if you are new to Snapchat or you're even confused on how Snapchat actually works, you don't need to worry. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step on how to use Snapchat, even if you have not used it before. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to simply do that. Now, by the end of this video, you're going to be able to know how to take snaps, how to send messages, how to post stories, how to add friends, and how to use Snapchat properly. So you must be asking, what is Snapchat? Now, let's say you don't know the meaning of Snapchat. Snapchat is actually a social media app where you send pictures and videos, short videos, which are called snaps. Those pictures and videos are called snaps on Snapchat. Now, the special thing about Snapchat is that those snaps that you send to people or someone, once they view them, it is actually going to disappear. Now, it is mainly used for chatting, sharing daily moments, and posting stories. So if you open your Snapchat app like this, now let's say open your Snapchat app like this, the camera is actually going to open automatically. Now, if you tap on the screen, you're going to be able to take a photo. But if you press and hold the screen, you're going to be able to record a video. Let's say you tap or flip the icon, you'd be able to switch cameras. So that is what you need to know about this camera on Snapchat. Now let's say you want to use the filters on Snapchat. If you swap like this, you're going to be able to see different filters on Snapchat. You can swap and change any filter and take a photo. Now when you take a photo, you're going to be able to add text to your photo. You're going to be able to draw on your photo, and you can also add music to your photo or video. So in order for you to actually send those snaps, now let's say you are done editing your photo or video, you can actually share. Click on the share button and send it. Select the friend you want to send it to and send it to them. Now meanwhile, you should note that once they view it, it is actually going to disappear. The snap is going to disappear. So looking here at the bottom of the screen, let's go to the home page like this. At the bottom of the screen, you're going to be able to see the chat option at the bottom of the screen. So if you click on the chat option, you're going to see your friends on Snapchat. So you can click on any of them like this. You can send message to them. You can send your snap directly to them. You can send a voice note to them, and you can also make voice or video calls with them. You can also play a game with them. So these are things you can actually do with someone on Snapchat. I should note that your message usually disappears unless you save them. Your message can easily disappear unless you save them. Let's say you want to post a story on Snapchat. You can go to your home page like this, take a photo or video, or upload from your memories and share it to your story. Just click on share and select story, and you are going to be able to share it on your story. So that is how you can post on your story on Snapchat. And meanwhile, you should note that the story is actually going to be deleted after 24 hours automatically. So now, in order for you to add friends, if you go to your Snapchat like this, tap on your profile. In order for you to add friends on Snapchat, if you go to your Snapchat like this and click on your profile, then click on add friends. You can add friends by their username from your contacts, even with snap code, and you can actually add friends from suggested friends. So these are the options that allows you to add friends on Snapchat. You can search for their username, you can search for their contacts, you can search for their snap code, and you can also select and add them by the suggested friends suggested to you by Snapchat. So the person must actually accept your friend request in order for you to be able to start chatting with them on Snapchat. That is actually how it works. So you must have heard people saying things like snap scores. Your snap scores shows how active you are on Snapchat, and it can only increase when you send and receive snaps. When people send for you snaps and when you send snaps to them, that is when your snap scores is going to increase on Snapchat. Your snap scores is not going to increase based on the text message you send to people on Snapchat. It is actually going to be increased only when you send snaps to people and when you receive snaps from people. That is when your snap scores is actually going to increase. So in order for you to actually stay safe on Snapchat, you need to go to your Snapchat like this, go to your profile, go to the settings and safety option. Now you need to control who can message you, who can see your story, and who can add you. Change that to the preferred way you want it to be. With that, you are going to be able to control your settings on Snapchat. So you should also note that Snapchat also notifies user when someone takes a screenshot. So you need to always use the settings for your safety. So in order for you to actually watch Reels and Spotlight, you can actually go to your home page like this and click on the Spotlight option at the bottom of the screen. And with that, you are going to be able to watch viral videos and content from creators. So you can enjoy reels and content from this section. So this is simply how Snapchat actually works. Now you need to remember that screenshot sends notifications, snap disappears quickly, and you need to be careful of what you send on Snapchat. With that being said, this is how easy it is to use Snapchat, especially if you are a beginner on Snapchat. Now I hope you find this video helpful. Hit the like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials like this, comment if you have any question, and tell me thank you on the comment section. See you in the next one.